you in the dark? Show me the scary parts. Who are you when it's 3 AM and you're all alone and LA doesn't feel like home?
Hey guys, it's your girl Real Juice here today, and today we're gonna do a video basically doing the third eyeshadow that I picked from the ColourPop collection. And well, not the ColourPop collection, but basically the collection that they have of separate little eyeshadows. So I chose 3. So we already did the blue, the yellow with the orange sunset look, and now we're gonna do the color that looks like glass. It kind of looks like glass to me in my favor. I already did the eyebrows. I even tried the new Tarte's well, it's not new, it's been a rave, and I just got this from Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I am light medium honey under my brows. I'm kind of liking it. So we're just testing some products out and doing this look. I'm probably gonna call it disco because I feel like this eyeshadow makes like a disco eyeshadow look. But let's get started. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe because it helps me a lot. We grew 14, I think it was right now 15K views on this video, so we're 200 subscribers away, so from 1,000. So I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe, share, like, whatever you want to do. You really don't have to, you know, subscribe, but you know, it helps me a lot. So yeah, let's start this video. So we're gonna go use our Morphe R42, and this is the eyeshadow right here. It looks like glass and it's like chromish type, but this one is called Glass Bowl. Like you can see, like it probably is called like a disco thing. But we're gonna use this brush, the R42 brush. And first and most of all, I'm just gonna pat it away on the brush because we're just gonna start to pat this one first. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my Jeffree Star mirror, and we're just gonna pat it in the center of the eyes. Like, this is a method that works for me, so I'm just gonna pat it on the center of the eye. Don't worry, that's why we, you know, we haven't applied no foundation, no concealer. I love doing that because it helps me, you know, be precise and clean with my look, my eyeshadow looks. So the foundation part will be flawless. Why I keep doing that? Like, I have a habit of doing that right now. So I've just pat this color away, put a little bit of Fix Plus so it can be a little bit more intense. So that's what we're gonna do, and we'll be right back with both eyes done. Oh, we just finished both eyes. I don't know, I feel like it's not that pigmented yet. I don't know, I feel like I put Fix Plus and everything, but it's like a shimmery color. So we're gonna do a twist because I was gonna do this whole entire eye look with just this color. Why is my hair okay with this color? So what I'm going to be doing is grabbing the Morphe 15D palette, and we're gonna put a little orange in the crease so it can, you know, have a little bit of color on it. And let me put this down real quick, and we're going to use our Morphe M441 in the color, I'll probably do Editor mixed with a little bit of Upbeat on the crease right here, just to give it a little bit of oomph, because it's not that much pigment as I want it to be, and it kind of looks like the eyeshadows, I think it was Celeste, or it's like the blue tone from the Huda Beauty. I'm gonna check right now and see if it's the same thing, and if it is, see how, oh wait, see how bright, like if I put that eyeshadow right there, it gets a little bit lighter. Oh wait a minute, hopefully this blends out together, because if it does, then we may hit a jackpot. Ooh, okay. I think it blends out very nice with, ooh, okay. I think this is the jackpot how to make it a little bit more intense. I'll be right back. So I put a little bit of from the Huda Beauty palette, it was retrograde, and it looks exactly like that one from the glass bowl from ColourPop. So it's a little bit more intense, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit more intense with a beaten editor on the edges right over here, because I put a little bit more and it like that eyeshadow next crease disappears. So what we're gonna do is gonna put this a little bit more brighter, more like intense right here, like I have it for this one, and I'm gonna blend this out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my foundation, because I already know what foundation I use, and then I'm gonna come back because we're gonna use the Shape Tape concealer, and we're gonna use my brand new obsession with Bare Minerals concealer also, because that's amazing. But let me finish this right here and I'll be right back. So now we're just gonna do the concealer. So I'm gonna try to put in, I heard this is a very intense concealer, so a little bit goes a long way. So what I'm gonna do is let me first use the Bare Minerals one in number Tan Warm 09, because this has been my obsession lately. Like, my obsession has been this concealer. I love my Too Faced, don't get me wrong, but this has given me a flawless effect. Like I said, it's 16-hour wear, and from what I got it from, it didn't crease at all. Put it there, put it on the jaw right here, and on the chin. So this is a full coverage. That's what I said, full coverage. I think you can, like, if you want to, you can put a little bit more. I'm gonna blend it first. I think I should blend it, but let me grab a little bit of the tip shape, put a little bit on top, not too much because I don't want to like over exaggerate it, so you can highlight a little bit. I think this one, I believe this one's a little bit too reddish for me, but let's see how this blends all together. You're gonna get a damn beauty blender. If you don't want to, you know, you could just go squish squish on your beauty blender and just dab. So I'll be right back. Let me see how this worked. You see how that's flawless? Oh, you see? Do you guys see the difference? Oh, okay, so look at here, look here. Oh yes, I love this combination because I don't like a bright under eye. I like it to be neutral, same color under eye type of thing. So this right here, I give it a thumbs up. I just want to see how it like acts during the day, so probably gonna do that soon. But oh, I love the finishing. It looks nice on the camera. I really love how the Patrick setting powder always sets my face so nice. It looks so pretty. So we're gonna go for bronzer, and we're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Rosewood and our Physician Butter Bronzer in Sun Kiss, I believe. And we're gonna just put this around our face and we'll be fine. So I'll be right back. So to make it a little bit different, I'm going to use that yellow color from the ColourPop that we used for the sunset, and we're going to put it under our eye to make a little pop. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab a darker shade brown from what we put up here, and with a little tiny brush like this, like an angle brush or kind of just any tiny little angle brush, and we're going to grab that dark one and we're going to put it close to our lash line, so you can see like it's like a waterline eyeliner type of thing, but it's not, to make it a little bit more pop. So it looks just like this. And then we're gonna go back to the face, and we're gonna use our Tarte Amazonian Clay and Party blush and use that same contour, and we're gonna just put it on the cheeks And I just love because this is soft, like you don't see it too much. I'm gonna put it right on the nose also because I love that rosy type of look on the nose. So we're gonna put that there. You know, combine these two together, and then we're gonna get our Fix Plus because our faces, you know, need to breathe. So we're gonna get Fix Plus so it could soak in and make our face untighten because it's really tightened right now. And while it's still like wet type of look, we're going to grab a highlighter brush, and we're gonna use the Emerizing. Oh, I'm in love with this. Yeah, I already know how I feel about this one right here. So we're just gonna grab this and voila, put that right where we highlight. You already know how you do this, so, and you already know how I feel about this highlighter. Like, this highlighter is my life. So we're just gonna do that with our fingers. We're gonna put it in the tip of our nose and then our bridge of our nose, and you know, do that. Then our chin, and then we're gonna put it right on the tip of our lip, and we're gonna use the Becca Cosmetic one and do the same thing all over. So for lips, we're gonna use from the ColourPop Hollywood Boulevard with a Huda Beauty Girlfriend in the middle. So I'll be right back with that because, you know, it's the same bullshit that we always used to see on every channel. So we're gonna go. So yeah, guys, this is the final look to, you know, this look. This is the darkest color that I have, and I love browns. I love the shade of browns. I hope you enjoy. This is a little bit different because, you know, I never did like a pop of color stuff. So I've been dabbing into different types of bright color because I stick to nudes mostly. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to go in the description below and go to my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Tumblr, which I'm also going to put on the screen so you can actually guys go directly to my Instagram. And I hope you enjoy, guys. See you next time. Mwah. Bye. Oh, and don't forget that I always release my videos Tuesdays and Saturdays at 11 a.m. exactly at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So I'll probably put in the description below what time I will be posting when it's either Pacific time, Northern time, and Western time, so you can check out. But it also helps out if you hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I post videos. So I see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye again. Oh, and don't just wait, I have bloopers coming after this, so you're gonna have to wait because I pop my jaw up too. So yeah, guys, this is the final look to